Imagine this, in 15 hours you have the skills to make your own 3D car models in Blender just like these students did. Don't spend months wandering from one YouTube tutorial to the next, and instead save your time and learn from someone who's in the industry and practice it every single day. My brand, Lumina Design Academy, has made this course, Car Modeling for Beginners, just for you. After teaching hundreds of students both digitally and at world-renowned car design schools, I'm confident I can teach you too. Whether you're a student or a professional, this course gives you everything you know to build a portfolio for school or land your next job. So what's inside? Well, the best part is no experience required. I show you how to install Blender, manipulate objects, move the camera around, so it doesn't matter if you're a pro or an absolute beginner, I got you. In Chapter 2, we go over modeling a car. To do this, we use something called orthographics. Essentially, you just use points to go over an illustration, and just like you did as a little kid, we connect the dots. And if you can connect the dots, you can make this car. In Chapter 3, we're gonna go over rendering, and I show you all the settings I use for both outdoor and indoor lighting setups to make your renderings pop. In Chapter 4, we're covering animation. And I'm gonna show you how to move cameras, rig a car, and bring your model to life. And the best part is, Blender is completely free. If you want the roadmap to becoming an expert in 3D car modeling, click the link in the bio to try the course for free on YouTube. In addition, follow me on Instagram to see what Lumen is up to next.